Hello, my name is Mr. Mayfield. I'm the Public Safety Homeland Security instructor here at the Genesee Career Institute. I've been teaching here since 2008. Students come here hoping to gain experience in law enforcement or something under the umbrella of Homeland Security. The students here are doing a crime scene investigation. Many of the different activities that we do in class are hands-on, such as traffic stops, building searches, and perp searches.
My name is Taylor. I have an interest in law enforcement for many years, so I came to GCI to hopefully become a police officer in the future.
Hi, my name's Gavin. I'm glad I found the public safety program at GCI. We do a lot of hands-on things such as tactical entry, traffic stops, and building searches. These things have helped me a lot in trying to further my career in law enforcement.
So if you're interested in a career in law enforcement, public safety, homeland security, GCI is the place for you.